So, you're trying to zap an Airtable checkbox to AWeber, but the setup isn't as straightforward as you'd expect. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to automate this process, avoid common pitfalls, and by the end, give you a better alternative if you want to make email automation even smoother. First, let's break down the challenge. Airtable doesn't natively integrate with AWeber. You need Zapier as the bridge, but here's the catch: Zapier can't directly handle checkboxes as simple true/false values. Instead, it treats them as text fields, which can cause automation failures if not mapped correctly. The workaround? You need to format the checkbox value properly before sending it to AWeber. In Zapier, set up a trigger for your Airtable base. Choose the checkbox field, but add a formatter step to convert true or checked into a usable format, like yes or 1, so AWeber can process it as a tag or trigger an action. Next, when sending this data to AWeber, you'll want to use the add or update subscriber action. But here's another issue. AWeber tags don't always sync properly unless the data is formatted correctly. If your Zap isn't triggering as expected, double check that you're sending the formatted checkbox value as a custom field or tag, not just a raw input. Another limitation: Zapier's free plan. If you're working with a large dataset, you'll hit task limits quickly, and upgrading can get expensive fast. Plus, Zapier's sync delays can mean subscribers aren't updated instantly, which is a problem if you're running time-sensitive campaigns. Now, AWeber itself has some drawbacks here. While it's a solid email marketing tool, its automation features aren't as advanced as some competitors. If you're relying on real-time subscriber updates, you might notice delays or missing tags in your lists. After testing multiple tools, I found a much better solution for automating email workflows without Zapier's limitations or AWeber's quirks. If you want an easier, more reliable way to connect Airtable to your email marketing system, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.